2020 Honda Ridgeline Type R, 2020 Honda Ridgeline Type R Performance, New Cars Buy. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming Honda brand. The title of an article we take is 2020 Honda Ridgeline Type R, 2020 Honda Ridgeline Type R Performance, New Cars Buy. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2020 Honda Ridgeline Type R, 2020 Honda Ridgeline Type R Performance, New Cars Buy. The midsize Honda Ridgeline is already a class of its own thanks to its SUV-derived construction. With that, this unibody design pickup truck provides almost car-like road manners and interior comfort but can't match the towing and off-road capability of the old-school body-on-frame models. However, the Ridgeline is still capable of towing 5,000 pounds and buyer who need more will likely chase some full-size model. So, the Ridgeline can pull the light trailer and some gear and is also comfortable for passengers while provides greater utility than the SUVs. However, modern buyers love different sorts of the pickup trucks and high-performance and off-road capable versions are also in the focus. Honda already revealed its plan for electrifying its light truck range and the Ridgeline also falls in that category. But, with the hybrid version in the lineup, the Ridgeline would need a more potent off-road version or the high-performance model to become even more appealing to the buyers. In that context, after the arrival of the hot Civic Type R, the rumors circulating about the Type R at Honda Ridgeline. Honda hasn't commented on the rumors and we haven't seen any solid proof about the model's arrival. The road-oriented Ford Lightning and Silverado SS have also been rumored for return and Honda's truck is rumored to come as the 2020 Honda Ridgeline Type R. 2020 Honda Ridgeline Type R, Performance. With the unibody, SUV-derived design and fully independent suspension, the Ridgeline delivers much better handling and controlled ride that can't be delivered by the body-on-frame design pickups. However, if the 2020 Honda Ridgeline Type R is in the mind of Honda's engineers, it would get sportier suspension tuning and components. The stiffer coil springs combined with the thicker sway bars and Type R adaptive dampers would tailor the handling and road manners to the high-performance demands. With that in the combination would come the upgraded Brembo branded brakes. As for the engine, the Type R could switch to the turbocharged power like the Civic Type R and the new Accord sedan. The current Ridgeline is powered by the Pilot SUV-sourced 3.5-liter V6 engine. This engine provides 280 HP and 262 pound-feet of torque at 4,700 RPM. Enough for the standard Ridgeline, but the Type R would need more for the racy performance. The solution might be a 2.0-liter turbo 4-cylinder which found the way into the new Accord sedan where makes 252 HP. Still not enough, but with the VTEC, VTC, and turbocharges in the hot Civic hatch this engine pumps 320 HP. In the Ridgeline Type R, this engine would likely be tuned to deliver at least 350 HP. However, Honda might also upgrade the 3.5-liter V6 engine with the turbocharger and VTEC and according to some assessments drain around 450 HP from it. 2020 Honda Ridgeline Type R, Racy Styling. The 2020 Honda Ridgeline Type R would combine the high-performance powertrain with the racy styling cues to separate it from the rest of the lineup. The similar recipe would be in the use as on the hot Civic version. The model would get several aerodynamic enhancements and upgraded cooling features. That would also affect the look of the model. It would have larger air intakes and reshaped front bumper with a possible scoop on the hood. The darker grille version in the combination with the red accents on the wheels, aero elements, and badges would also amplify the look. The Type R pickup version would also get 20-inch wheels with the performance tires probably and the red Brembo calipers would peek behind the multi-spoke rims. Interior. The interior would also arrive with tons of the contrasting accents and racy elements. The sports steering wheel would be in front of the driver as well as the performance gauge cluster. With these, Honda would add the heavily bolstered sports seats with the suede and leather combination. Plus it will add the red contrasting surfaces and stitching. The red lines and pieces would also be on the door panels and dash. The Type R version would also include Honda's latest in-car technologies. The latest infotainment system would be in the equipment list as well as the Honda Sensing suite of active safety and crash-avoiding technologies. 2020 Honda Ridgeline Type R, Arrival, Price. Everything about the 2020 Honda Ridgeline Type R sounds very nice but everything still remains the matter of speculation as no signs from Honda about this model. Still, if we have to evaluate the Type R version, we would put price close to the $50,000. Thanks.